My name is Doriana Isufi. I'm the franchisee owner of Molly's Cupcakes here in Chicagoland. I joined Molly in 2019 and now I own 8 locations. And we are here today at our bakehouse, which is our commissary kitchen where everything is made for all of the Molly's in Chicagoland.
My name is Teresa Crisanti. I'm the director of our small business programs at the Illinois Restaurant Association. The Illinois Restaurant Association is a business support organization within the Cook County Small Business Source.
Molly's offers amazing Centerfield cupcakes. We won Cupcake Wars on Food Network season finale 1, but we do a lot more than just that. We make amazing cakes, cookies, cake pops, cheesecakes, brownies.
So Tech Tour, the event that Molly was spotlighted at last year, is a great event that we host every year at Google Chicago, and business owners are able to come and learn about the latest and greatest in technology, learn how to manage their Google business profile, and get hands-on assistance with marketing, and it's such a great event.
But the highlight for me was the Pro Start with Cisco. That really created some other opportunities for me since doing the Pro Start with IRA.
So the IRA offers many resources. We offer virtual group business advising, webinars, events, workforce development trainings, and these are all at no cost. And the really great thing is we meet you where you are and we help you get to where you want to be.
Here at the Bakehouse is where everything is made for Chicago, and therefore we're creating a new space. Chicago Bakeology is this new space that we're creating here. It's going to be events and cafe. Now, we're planning here events. We're doing here a lot more than just making, products, right? So we're creating a space that we can engage, we can educate and engage and create memories. And that's what it's all about. Ever since I started joining the IRA, the networking and the opportunities that's brought, it's making this project come to an end a lot quicker than I was planning for it.
So if you're an operator and you just opened a small business, there are resources available to you. You just become connected with the Illinois Restaurant Association. We will help you out. At The Source, we are providing access and fostering growth for small businesses throughout Cook County.